Back to school season is always a little hectic, and as a parent, I know how it can feel trying to find snacks for the kids that are healthy, kid approved, and actually get eaten. So my goal with this video today is to give you 2 gluten-free snacks that will make your mornings and your lunch boxes a little easier, plus an extra bonus treat that is perfect for when your kids get home and you are getting dinner ready. So by the end, you'll have nourishing snacks that your kids will love, and you'll have a little peace of mind too. On the menu, my signature Oat Banana Muffins and crispy roasted chickpeas. These are my go-to gluten-free oat banana muffins, made with gluten-free oats from 1 Degree Organic Foods. They're much more nutritious than muffins made with just rice flour, providing fiber, sustained energy for growing kids. They're wholesome, filling, and freezer-friendly, so you can make a big batch once and have school snacks ready to go. I've already shared the full recipe in a separate video, and it's linked in the description below. For a crispy, protein-packed option, I'm using canned organic chickpeas from Costco. They're quick and convenient. You can make a full batch ahead of time, season them however you like, sweet or savory, and store them in a jar at a room temperature for a week. They're perfect for lunch boxes or snacks anytime. So crunchy. If you're looking for a snack for after school while you pick your kids up or prep dinner, I made these no-bake pistachio and pumpkin seed butter bars. My oldest son has a nut allergy, but not to all the nuts, so I wanted to create a recipe that he could safely enjoy too. I'm using pumpkin seed butter from Nuts to You Nut Butter Company. It's not only creamy and delicious, but also has a great source of iron, magnesium, and plant-based protein. There is no baking needed. Just press all the ingredients into the pan, freeze for a couple of hours, and keep them for up to 2 months. They're easy to make, packed with good-for-you ingredients, and a perfect little treat for when everyone gets home. So there you have it, 2 back-to-school gluten-free snacks and a bonus after-school snack to make sure that you keep everyone fueled and happy. Let me know in the comments which one would you or your kids grab first. And for more tips, recipes, and advice, make sure to join me at Masha Bakes Gluten-Free. Until the next one, bye.
Why do you make
Hey
the
guys,
No,
welcome to Masha Bakes.
Why do you only just put your body, not your face? Okay, face.
It's my face.